For the exercise, what are the oxidation number of all the elements in each of these compounds? Okay, I have 3 questions here. NaYO3, IF7. Here, potassium dichromic. Identify the oxidation number of each element. I'd like you to understand that all of these components molecule, neutral molecule, so which means that it has no charge, so the total charge of the compound is 0. It also will be 0, and it is also will be 0, different with the previous sample. NaYO3. Natrium is the group A1, which means it will have the oxidation number is +1. And then we have also oxygen is usually -2, and we have here the oxygen is 3, so we have to multiply the oxygen number, the oxygen oxidation number is with 3, and the total of the oxidation number is equal to 0. So from this one we may identify or determine the oxidation number of iodine. Let's see here that 3 times -2, which is 3, is the total oxidation number of oxygen, and then +1 is for natrium. So we may found that the iodine oxidation number is equal to +5. Yeah, that is for the first example. Now let's see for the second one. IF7. As we know that F is always have the -1. So to be understand that the total oxidation number of this compound is equal to 0. Now we can see that the total number will equal to 0. So we may determine the iodine here. The oxidation number is +7. Now let's see the third one. Now this for the third one, this is calcium, calcium dichromic. This is an oxygen that usually have -2, and then potassium. We have already know that potassium is the first group one. Yeah, the first group of it will have the oxidation number is +1. So we may determine the oxidation number of the chromic, which is the chrome here is there are 2 chrome. Please note also there are also 2 of the potassium. Now what we can see here that the total of the oxidation number is equal to 0. So I can determine the oxidation number of the chromic is 7 times -2, which is 7 for oxygen. -2 is the oxidation number of oxygen, and then 2 times, which is the 2 times is for the potassium, +1, yeah, +1, and then we may see that the x value, the blank value here is equal to the +6. So here we have that the oxidation number of the chrome is +6. Yes, is for our class today, and then please always review. You may try to determine another oxidation number in another compounds. Thank you. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.